I'm standing in my brand new portable garage building. This building is 14 by 24, and it's got vinyl siding and a wood floor. I'm going to be putting all kinds of things in here. Lawnmowers, ATVs, I can easily get my boat in here. But one thing I want to do is waterproof the floor before anything comes in this building. Up here in the northern states, we get a lot of snow in the winter, so as I bring my snowblower in and out, I don't want that snow sitting on my wood floor, rotting it out over the years. So I suggest the first thing you do with any portable utility building or portable garage is waterproof the floor. I'm going to show you what type of sealant I use and show you the whole process. This is the waterproofing sealer I'm going to use. I've used this before in another portable building I have about 2 years ago, and it's completely sealed still, and I've had no water damage to that floor at all. So I'm going to be using the same product on this one. It's completely clear, so you do still see your wood. I don't recommend any sealer with some type of stain or paint in it because it will peel up over time. Now, this is a penetrating oil. It's going to go deep into the wood, seal it off. It is a one coat application, but I'm going to wait about 48 hours and put on a second coat. So the first thing I'm going to do is sweep out the entire building with a broom. When you get these portable buildings, they're usually not perfectly clean inside. They are pretty clean, but they do have a little bit of sawdust and some wood chips laying inside. So I'm going to sweep out the entire thing, and then I'm going to vacuum it all with my shop vac. Because this building is so big, I'm simply just going to pour the oil out on the floor and then roll it with a 3/8 nap roller. And to get right up into the corners, you're going to want to use a 3 or 4 inch brush and brush your sealant right up into the corner and all the edges. So here's a close-up of the floor after 2 coats of the sealant. And I got to trim up by the door a little bit, so I'm going to show you what it looks like untreated. As you can see right along that door edge, it does darken the wood just a little bit. But this is what the original wood looked like right along here. And this is after the sealer. So it does darken it a little bit, but it is still transparent. I've got 2 coats of sealant on this floor, and it's going to protect it for a long time. Snow from the snowblower or wet grass from the lawnmower is not going to do it any harm. 10 years from now, it's going to look just as good as it does today. These portable sheds and portable garages aren't cheap, so take care of them by sealing up the floor. Hope you guys found the video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.